I'm a holistic nutritionist, a health and wellness coach. I help busy people make lifestyle modifications for a healthier living. If you like what I say, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I come up with new, simple health hacks on an everyday basis so that you can get healthier by the day. Today, I'm going to be speaking about why should you eat an early dinner. So, if you look at all my earlier videos, I have spoken about eating an early dinner. And this is something that everyone has been coming back and asking me, saying, why should I eat an early dinner? Is there any particular reasons for it, or is there any benefits that I can get out of it? So that's what I'm going to be speaking about today. Having an early dinner has got multiple benefits, but the first and the foremost of them all is to sleep well. Okay, so people who eat an early dinner, which is say around 6:37ish in the evening, and go to bed around 10:30, tend to sleep a lot deeper, and the quality of sleep is much better than those who have a late dinner. Now, why is that so? Is because people who have an early dinner, when they go to bed, the digestion process is completed. So it takes about 2 to 2.5 hours for the food that we eat to get completely digested, and then move in for absorption process. So when this happens, your body is not working on digesting your food. Instead, it can focus on the rest of the things that it does during sleep, like it does repair process, wherein pushes out the toxins, prepares new cells for the body, eliminates the old cells, and things like this it does in our sleep. So it can focus better on those things rather than focusing on the food that is left in your stomach to be digested. So that is the reason that if you have an early dinner, you can sleep well. So that's the first reason why you should be having an early dinner. The second reason why you should be eating an early dinner is it can avoid digestive issues or acid refluxes. It has been shown in multiple studies that if you tend to eat an early dinner at least 3 hours before you sleep, then your body, since it's already digested the food, it doesn't lead to acid refluxes. So as you grow older, when your digestive system gets slightly weaker, when you're not taking care of it properly over the years, then you tend to have acidity and gastritis issues on a regular basis. We also see younger people having this issue, not that only older people are having it. We also see younger people having it because of the habits that they're following. So to avoid this, if you have an early dinner, you might just make your digestive system more and more stronger, and you might never have to face acidity and gastritis issues. So that's another reason why you should eat an early dinner, and also teach your children to eat an early dinner. The third reason why you should be eating an early dinner is when we sleep, automatically the body's blood pressure lowers by 10%, and when we wake up in the morning, the blood pressure actually starts rising, and that is how the natural circadian rhythm works. But then when we tend to eat a late dinner, our body is actually under high blood pressure, or it has to pressure the blood much more faster so that the digestive process can happen. So when this happens, we are at a higher risk of heart attacks compared to when we eat an early dinner, where the body is actually slowed down by the end of the digestion process when we are going to bed. So having 2.5 to 3 hours gap between your sleep and dinner is ideal. Most people complain of being lethargic in the morning. They don't feel like waking up. You just want another 5 minutes of sleep in the morning. So these are things that generally people talk when they talk about their health. So otherwise I'm perfectly fine, but when I wake up in the morning, I don't have the energy to wake up. So that is something many people complain of. So if you are having an early dinner, then you also tend to sleep better and wake up earlier, and you also feel like you have a good amount of energy. Now why that happens is, when we are sleeping, the body is already converted all the food into energy, and it's been utilized for the repair process and other things, and then still there's a lot of energy left in us. So when we wake up, the body is actually lighter and feels much more energetic. So you don't need an external push to wake you up from bed. So that way it will really help you if you're having an early dinner and going to bed 3 hours later, so that your body has enough energy to start your day as well. The last and final reason why you should be eating an early dinner is it reduces your risk of diabetes. So when we eat an early dinner, the insulin produced by our pancreas get completely utilized in the digestion process, and glucose or the energy is already released. So in that case, what happens, there is no much spike in our blood sugar levels. So when we tend to sleep, our body is able to regulate, utilize that energy and make new cells out of it. So that way we are also benefiting out of all the nutrients that we are giving into the body. So that is one of the major reasons why, if you know are at the risk of type 2 diabetes, if you're a pre-diabetic or you have a family history of diabetes, then you should definitely change your dinner eating habits and start eating at 3 hours before you tend to sleep. Now, all these things, when you start doing as a practice, it does reflect upon your body in 15 to 20 days time. You'll start noticing changes. Okay, so if you like all my tips and hacks, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I come up with new tips on an everyday basis that can help you lead a healthier life. Thank you.